Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Librans. What's going on? What's going on? What are the messages for Librans? Okay, so we have the Judgment, the Nine of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, the Magician, the Lovers, the Nine of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, the Page of Swords, and the Moon, and the Fool. So Librans, what I feel here is there is a situation over here which seems to be related to the past, which is causing you a lot of anxiety and sleepless nights. It's really bothering you, and perhaps you really don't know how to solve it. That's what I feel. There is something here, there is some issue going on which you really don't know how to solve. You want to take a decision, I think, or maybe it is the time to take the decision, or you finally decide to take a decision. I don't know, but there is something. It's a long standing issue. It's something which is related to the past perhaps. Okay, and it's troubling you. It's really troubling you big time. Perhaps now either it is a time to take a decision or you want to take a decision in this aspect, but or maybe what decision to take itself is causing you a lot of anxiety and is bothering you, because perhaps you're not able to understand as to what decision should be taken in this situation. It can be that also. Then we have the Magician, the Lovers, and the Nine of Pentacles. So somehow what I feel here is, the energy which I'm getting here is that you really want a new beginning, and you will perhaps take action to make this new beginning happen. So I think you will finally take a decision in this situation, whatever is stuck since a long time and is really bothering you, and finally you decide to make a move, and this move seems to be towards building up of a new partnership, towards building up of a partnership or a companionship or friendship, whatever it is, or a collaboration. So there is something here which is talking about two people getting together. So you are perhaps initiating this decision of this collaboration. That's what I feel. And it seems to be as if it is talking about somebody else involved in the situation, then it seems to be that in the meantime this other person was perhaps not focused on you at all. This person was focused on themselves, building themselves, and just being with themselves. They focused on themselves. That's what I feel. Then we have the Ten of Wands, the Page of Swords, Moon, and the Fool. So here again what I feel is that you do want to make a move here, and I think you will see, you are feeling burdened in this situation. You are feeling burdened in this situation. You don't want to carry this burden any longer. You want to make a move, you want to take an action, but perhaps this person is right now not focusing on you. They are focused on their own life, and you want to have a new beginning now. Perhaps that's what I feel. And finally you, because here what I felt was that you really don't know how to make things work now, or what decision should be taken. But perhaps what I feel is, even though the things ahead are not very clear to you, you really don't know how to sort it out, but I think you will make a move. You will take that risk or initiate that new beginning, even if you are not very clear about the outcome of the situation, or even if you are not clear about the response of the other person. Still I think you will take the leap of faith, and you will take that risk which is involved to clear the air, I should say, to clear the air, or to have this new beginning, so that you feel relaxed, and you really understand, because you really don't want to carry this baggage any longer. That's what I feel. So you are ready to plunge in, you are ready to take the leap of faith, even though you really don't know what will be the reaction of the situation or what will be the output of the situation. The Nine of Clubs, the Sun card of this deck. So the happiest card, I think you will be happy with the move you make. The guidance from the angels. Manifest your dreams. Number one may be of some significance for you. You are ready to go. There is no need for additional preparation. Take the first steps towards the change you desire, even if they are small steps. Notice the signs that guide you in the right direction, as well as the resources and support that miraculously appear. So, Librans, seems to be a beautiful energy. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.